The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. Technological advancements, economic shifts, and evolving customer expectations are just a few of the forces driving this constant change. Organizations that fail to adapt risk becoming obsolete. To thrive in this dynamic environment, businesses must embrace change. This requires more than just reacting to external pressures. It demands a proactive and systematic approach to change management. Effective change programs provide a structured framework for guiding organizations through transitions, minimizing disruption, and maximizing the potential for success. Ignoring the need for change can have severe consequences. Businesses may lose market share, struggle to attract and retain talent, and ultimately face failure. Embracing change, on the other hand, allows organizations to unlock new opportunities, enhance their competitiveness, and build a more resilient and adaptable future. The first step in leading change is to establish a sense of urgency. This involves creating a compelling case for why change is necessary. Data, market research, and competitor analysis can be used to highlight the risks of inaction and the potential rewards of embracing change. Leaders must communicate this urgency throughout the organization, engaging employees at all levels. Open and honest dialogue, town hall meetings, and surveys can help foster a sense of shared purpose and encourage buy-in for the change initiative. Creating a sense of urgency is not about fear-mongering, it's about inspiring and motivating people to act. By highlighting the potential benefits of change, leaders can create a positive and empowering environment that encourages employees to embrace the journey ahead. Successful change requires strong leadership. A guiding coalition composed of influential individuals from different areas of the organization can provide the necessary direction, support, and resources to drive the change process. This coalition should include individuals with diverse perspectives, expertise, and credibility. Their collective influence can help overcome resistance, build consensus, and ensure that the change initiative aligns with the organization's overall strategy. The guiding coalition plays a critical role in championing the change, communicating the vision, and empowering others to take action. Their visible commitment and active involvement are essential for building trust and confidence throughout the organization. A clear and compelling vision is essential for guiding the change process. The vision should articulate the desired future state of the organization and provide a roadmap for achieving it. The vision should be concise, easy to understand, and inspiring. It should paint a picture of what success looks like and how the change will benefit the organization and its stakeholders. A well-defined vision serves as a North Star, providing direction and purpose for the change initiative. It helps to align efforts, motivate employees, and ensure that everyone is working towards a common goal.